Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to post multiple pictures on one post here on Instagram. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. And first up, let's go ahead and create a post right here. Just tap on the plus sign. Now, as you can see here in the gallery, we have this option, okay, or there's a button that seems like a duplicate icon. So basically, this button right here allows you to select multiple photos or video in one post, okay? So just make sure that you are not under reel, okay? Just swipe until you reach the post section, okay? As you can see here, we have the option select multiple as well. Just tap on it, select multiple, maybe this one. You can add in videos as well if you want to, okay? Say, for example, I'm going to add in this video of my son right here. Then I'm going to hit on next. As you can see, you can go ahead and review your photos right here and videos as well. And if you want to remove one, we have the X button right here, okay? And you can go ahead and add in some audio, text on each photo right here. All right, once you're happy with that, just tap on next. In the next page, you can let you add in your description or title, like so. Add a caption, okay? Tag people if you want to. And once done, just tap on share. Wait for it. It's almost done. There you go. It's posting now. If it seems stuck, you can always go ahead and refresh the page, okay? It says here done. Here we have the post. You can go ahead and check it out in your profile as well. Okay, refresh your profile. There you go. Tap on it, swipe, 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 swipe. And here's the video. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.